is that the CEO world record is all about creating audacious impact, the one you wake up in the morning with the shiny eyes, you have the energy, you are connected in oneness with that. And when I speak about that with other CEOs, it seems that they are falling into the trap of sustainability. And especially because I am in Europe, and then we have a lot of laws and etc., and UN 17 goals, and it seems that every company now is just looking at those 17 goals and from outside in putting an add-on on themselves. And where I want actually to take every CEO who's participating in this CEO world record, it is to really, really think audaciously big. So what are your maybe thoughts about sustainability and then audacity and abundance? I know you have some.
Well, first of all, Laura, the sustainability, the way we are looking at it today, is a completely brain dead, because we are coming in from the perspective of scarcity.